By the end of this video, I'll show you why 500 Rand a month could become one of the smartest financial decisions you ever make. Most South Africans think that they need 100,000 Rand or more to start investing, but the truth is, if someone simply invested 500 Rand a month into the JSE Top 40 Index 10 years ago, they'd likely be sitting on a surprisingly large cushion today. And this is not because they are lucky or because they are stock picking geniuses, but because of something incredibly powerful called compound interest. Here's the problem though. Most people think investing works like this. You put in money and hopefully one day it doubles. But real wealth almost never works like that. Instead, wealth grows quietly in the background over time through a simple process called compounding. So now imagine planting a blueberry bush in your garden. In the first year, it grows a few berries. If you eat them immediately, nothing changes. Next year, you still only have one bush. But what if you plant the seeds from those berries instead? Now you have two bushes. The next year, those two bushes produce even more berries, which means even more seeds to plant. Eventually, you don't just have a bush, you have an orchard. That's exactly how compound interest works. Your money earns returns, then those returns start earning their own returns. And then those returns earn even more returns. Your money starts working for you and eventually your returns start working for you too. So say if you invested 500 Rand per month for 10 years, you would have invested 60,000 Rand. But with compounding returns, the investment could potentially grow far beyond what you put in. And here's the crazy part. The first few years look slow, almost boring if I'm honest. But later, the growth starts accelerating dramatically. This is what exponential growth looks like. It starts slow, then suddenly shoots up. This single concept is why most wealth in the world grows exponentially, which is why long-term investors often focus on broad market indexes like the S&P 500 or the JSE Top 40 Index. And this is exactly why time matters more than money. Someone who starts investing 500 at the age of 25 can often end up with more money than someone investing 200,000 at the age of 40. Not because they invested more, but because their money had more time to grow. The saying goes that the best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. And the good news is that platforms like EasyEquities allow South Africans to start investing with as little as 50 Rand. So you don't need to be rich. You just need to start planting the seeds.